I can compare and order decimals. Greater than, less than, equal. Here are the steps for comparing and ordering decimals. What I want to do is it says to stack the numbers on top of each other, lining up the decimals. Okay, so let's do that. We have 43 hundredths, 4 tenths, and 34 hundredths. So I'm going to put the decimal there and put my 4, and then I'm going to start with 34 hundredths. I'm going to put my decimal and then put the 34 hundredths. Now, it says to add a 0 if I need to. Well, I don't have the same number of digits, so I'm going to add a 0 right there. Now, remember that adding that 0 does not change the value. It's still 4 tenths. I can just read it now as 40 hundredths, but it's the same thing. So, now I'm going to start. I'm going to go to step 2, and it says compare on the left and work your way to the right. So I'm starting on the left, the left, the highest place value, just like I did in whole numbers. The highest place value is on the left. Well, I have 4, 4, so I can't compare those because they're equal, and then I have a 3. Say this question was least to greatest, so 3 is smaller than 4. 3 tenths, I can think about that. Okay, 30 cents is less than 40 cents. So I know that this one is going to be my first number. So I'm going to write first beside it. Now it says to work your way to the right. Well, I have to move to the right, and I have a 3 and a 0. Which one is greater? 3, you're right. So the 3 is the greater one, which means this one, 4 tenths or 40 hundredths, is the second one. It is smaller, less than 43 hundredths. So this one would be my third. So now then I did step 2. It says to order the decimals according to the question. So least to greatest. I'm going to order these. 34 hundredths. Now remember, I need a semicolon to separate these numbers just like they had up here. Then I had 4 tenths. And then 43 hundredths. If I wanted to, I could put a 0, and that would be 40 tenths, or 40 hundredths, 43 hundredths. That's how you do it. It's your turn to try. Order the following numbers from greatest to least: 56 hundredths, 5 tenths, and 54 hundredths. Remember, stack your numbers lining up the decimals. Begin on the left, add a 0 if you need to, and then write them according to the question, which this one is greatest to least. Let's see if you got it right. From greatest to least, the greatest number after I stacked them on top of each other, like so, and then added a 0, started on the left, and then compared in the next column because those are all the same. My greatest number is 56 hundredths, semicolon. 54 hundredths, semicolon, and 5 tenths, or I could add a 0 and call that 50 hundredths.